My name is Kelly, and I'm from the Management Study Guide's content team. In this course, we will talk about problem solving in detail. Let's get started. Both Rick and John work for SoftSol, a leading software solutions company which develops various kinds of software solutions for its esteemed clients. While John was away, after a few days, many of the software releases were delayed due to the software not passing the quality test. Rick just could not pinpoint the root cause of the problem. In such situations, several problem-solving tools such as root cause analysis, cause-effect or fishbone diagram, or 5 ways techniques can prove to be extremely helpful and can prove to be a boon to companies as well as their employees, like Rick. Let's review the course objectives. Explain what is meant by problem solving. Explain what is a problem statement. Describe the problem-solving process. List the steps of problem-solving process. Discuss the tools for problem solving. Explain Pareto principle for problem solving. Discuss the scientific methods of problem solving. Explain the brainstorming process for problem solving. Explain the root cause analysis for problem solving. Explain the SWOT analysis for problem solving. Problem solving is the main and core activity of all management activities. Innumerable problems will mushroom because of these unsolved problems. The way in which the problems are solved depends on the skills which the managers possess, their proactivity, responsiveness, and their management style. There is no definite problem-solving model which has the capacity to work in all given situations and with all management styles. Stages of problem solving. The given flowchart shows the stages through which problem solving is carried out. It includes the steps of problem identification, defining the problem, symptoms and causes of the problem, finding the alternatives for solving the problem, and its consequences or impact of the chosen alternatives, and finally, choosing the final solution to the problem. What form can the resolution be? What is the scope and limitations in time, money, resources, technologies that can be used to solve the problem? Does the client want a white paper, a web tool, a new feature for a product, a brainstorming on a topic? Analyze potential causes. Once the questions are formulated, pick one or more of the subordinate questions to address. Identify the list of data sources that can be used to research your problem question. Seek secondary data first. Time and cost permitting, seek primary data. Develop a work plan and assign the problem questions to different members of your team where possible. Appreciation inquiry. Solving problems by looking at what is going right. Appreciation means to recognize contributions, things, and people around us. Inquiry means to discover, explore, find new techniques, possibilities. Appreciation and inquiry combined together, we get a valuable tool to solve present situation and learn the ways to bring effective positive change in the future. Steps of problem-solving process. Step 1. Defining the problem. Step 2. Gathering information and collecting data. Step 3. Developing and weighing the options. Step 4. Choosing best possible option. Step 5. Plan and execute. Step 6. Take follow-up action. Tools for problem solving. Researchers have developed various tools and techniques for problem solving. The 3 key tools and techniques are: number 1, 5 whys technique. Number 2, Pareto analysis. Number 3, cause and effect diagrams or fishbone diagrams. There are disagreements to what the intuitive method really is. Intuitions are spiritual, physic, psychological, scientific process, but mostly it is a normal brain process. Intuitive thinking enables you to unconsciously utilize hundreds to many thousands of bits and pieces of knowledge you possess in memory. Many intuitions may be important, but too many errors of intuition can hurt your success, relationships, or reputation for problem-solving and decision-making skills. The Simplex Process. Simplex Process is a powerful step-by-step tool that helps identify and solve problems creatively and effectively. It helps in business where you can skip important steps in problem-solving process and get good solutions to an issue. Brainstorming process for problem solving. There are different ways to brainstorm, but the general structure of developing and conducting brainstorming session remains the same, such as the following. A problem statement, issue, or topic is presented to the group of participants. Participants are encouraged to brainstorm all possible ideas, which could solve the problem at hand. Ideas presented during the brainstorming session are recorded or written down for future reference and use. Silent brainstorming. Silent brainstorming technique is also known as the write-it-down brainstorming technique. Silent brainstorming technique is mainly used when the facilitator feels that if the participants were allowed to openly speak about their ideas, then some members would dominate the conversation. This technique is very useful when you want to ensure that each one of the participants presents ideas or opinions and to control the conversation, or when a sensitive topic is being brainstormed. In this technique, the facilitator asks the participants to write their ideas or opinions individually on sticky notes or small slips of paper. Then, the facilitator collects all the papers from all the participants and posts them on a board for all to see. Steps to conduct root cause analysis. Step 1. Specify the problem situation. Step 2. Understand the problem situation. Step 3. Take prompt action steps. Step 4. Take preventative action steps. Step 5. Establish the solution. The last step of conducting a root cause analysis is to clearly establish and confirm the solution to a particular problem. You have taken certain corrective or preventative measures that helped eliminate the root cause causing a particular problem. After achieving success through such steps, it's crucial that you identify and establish the success of the adopted approach. You will then need to identify the rules or change in standard procedures or processes that need to be implemented so that a particular problem, as well as similar problems, can be prevented from happening. You should always keep in mind that this is one of the most crucial steps of RCA that most people tend to ignore or miss. Eat Well Food and Beverages has several products in its product line, including different kinds of instant, ready-to-cook food products, as well as beverages. This is just a demo of the complete course. With every course, you get to view the course content online, download the PowerPoint presentation, and get the course completion certificate. With new courses added regularly, we offer a continuous learning platform. Join our premium membership plan and get access to unlimited courses. All of our plans are backed up by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you are not completely satisfied, we'll give you a full refund. We are so confident that you'll enjoy the membership that we're willing to let you try at our risk, not yours.